Hello everyone, my name is Alok. I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princes of the world. I'm an engineer, an MBA, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert and a business enthusiast for the last 20 years around. And I'm here helping 3 kinds of people. Number 1, people who do have an expertise or a passion about something, they want to monetize it through form of a business. Number 2, people who do have an offline business, want to take it to an online platform. Number 3, people who are doing pretty well, either in offline or online, but they are not able to upscale and grow. So I, Alok, as a business coach, is going to give you a specific business strategy for your business so that you upscale and grow in multiple level of ROIs. So business owners, today I'm going to talk about something very pleasing to you because we business owners keep on exploring new business ideas. So the topic for the day is how to get into more business opportunities and how to create more business opportunities for us in the business. So today I'm going to talk about 4 major points, tell you how you are going to make a profitable business and create more business opportunities from your existing business, right? So to be successful entrepreneurs, we need to be continuously innovating and looking for opportunities to grow, to sustain, to explode. But how to, find out new opportunities, how to take your business to a next level, how to get into the new market or new customers, how to go to the new growth levels. So here are 4 ways to identify more business opportunities for you and your business to upscale and grow. Number 1, make a note of it. This is very crucial points. Number 1, listen to your potential clients and the past leads. So when you are targeting potential customers, listen to their needs, wants, challenges and frustrations with your industry. Have they used similar products and services before? What did they like and what did they dislike? What did they come to you? Why did they come to you? And what are their objections to your product and services? This will help you to find more opportunities to develop more tailored based product and services, hone your target market and identify and overcome common objections. Number 2, listen to your customers. When you're talking to your customers, listen to what they're saying about your industry, products and services. What are they frequently asking questions? What are their experience? What are their frustrations? And what are their feedbacks and what complaints do still they have? If you can make it out, you can give them a better product, a better services, a better solution, and that is how you create more opportunities for your business. Number 3, look at your competitors. So do a little competitive analysis, right? To see what other startups or other business owners in your industry are doing, and more importantly, what they're not doing. So it's better to understand what people are doing, you are not doing, or what successful business are not doing and you are doing that. So you make a difference and make a note of that. Reason being, if something is not working for them, most likely it is not going to work for you as well. So what are they failing and falling down for? You have to understand, so you have to be very, very vigilant on what your competitors are doing, and you also should be knowing what they are doing right, because anything which is doing right for your competitors obviously is going to be acting good for you as well. What makes your customers go to them over you? If they are preferring somebody else other than you, what are the things which they are looking at? So you have to keep on experimenting and understanding what your competitors are doing. Number 4, look at your industry trends and insights. So you have to subscribe to your industry publications, join relevant associations, set maybe Google alerts for key industry terms and news, and follow other industry experts on social media as well. Absorb yourself in industry and continue educate yourself on the latest techniques and trends. So if you lose on all this latest updates, trends and technology, you'll be losing on the business and the customers as well. So these are the 4 key parameters which will lead you to understand more business opportunities for your business to upscale and grow. Thank you so much.